Today we're trying to make some progress on this little control arm here. You can see I had some damage here. The little control arm was bent, so we bought a Harbor Freight. We're gonna try that out, see what's going on. So gonna load that up. We're gonna fix this arm straight now. Gonna go ahead and put a couple little beads of weld on there, and we're gonna start rebuilding this suspension and sand it down and paint it. Stay tuned. We almost there. Just gotta get this bottom part and that corner. For my first weld, it ain't too bad though. Of course, I grinded them up a little bit before I show you.